Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Driven Vision. Today, we're diving into a full review of the 2025 Bajaj Maxima Z Petrol auto-rickshaw. This model represents the evolution of Bajaj's iconic three-wheeler, combining reliability with modern updates for drivers and passengers alike. Let's explore its exterior, interior, performance, safety features, unique selling points, price, and wrap up with a conclusion. Exterior. The 2025 Bajaj Maxima Z Petrol features a refreshed exterior that balances tradition with a touch of modern design. Its compact yet sturdy frame ensures easy maneuverability in tight city spaces, which is a must for rickshaw operators. The front fascia is simple but practical, with a curved windscreen for better visibility. Bajaj has added stronger paneling and a more aerodynamic body line that reduces drag and enhances fuel efficiency. The large headlamp provides improved night visibility, while the side mirrors have been enlarged for greater safety. With vibrant color options and a weather-resistant canopy, the exterior design ensures durability and everyday practicality. Interior. Inside, the Maxima Z Petrol prioritizes comfort for both the driver and passengers. The seating has been upgraded with better cushioning, making longer rides more comfortable. The driver's cockpit is ergonomically designed, offering an easy-to-read instrument cluster with indicators for fuel, speed, and essential alerts. Passenger space is generous for a three-wheeler, accommodating up to 3 adults comfortably. Bajaj has also improved legroom and headroom to make the ride more relaxed. The canopy and side flaps offer decent protection against weather, ensuring that passengers stay dry during rain and shaded in hot summers. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Maxima Z Petrol is powered by a reliable 236 cubic centimeters petrol engine. It delivers smooth acceleration and consistent performance, ideal for city commutes and short intercity routes. The engine is tuned for better fuel efficiency while maintaining adequate power for carrying both passengers and moderate loads. With improved gear shifting and a robust suspension system, the ride quality feels smoother even on uneven roads. The petrol variant ensures quicker refueling compared to CNG, making it convenient for operators who prioritize time efficiency. Overall, it's built for dependability and everyday usage. Safety features. Bajaj has taken safety seriously with this updated model. The Maxima Z Petrol comes with enhanced braking systems that provide stronger stopping power. The larger rear-view mirrors help drivers stay aware of their surroundings. Stronger chassis construction ensures stability and durability, while the headlamps and tail lamps offer excellent visibility at night. Passenger safety is addressed through a more rigid frame design that minimizes the impact in case of collisions. Additionally, the seating arrangement ensures a balanced center of gravity, reducing rollover risks. Unique selling points. The standout feature of the 2025 Bajaj Maxima Z Petrol is its blend of reliability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs. It is tailor-made for urban transport operators who value affordability and consistent performance. The petrol engine allows flexibility in areas where CNG infrastructure may be limited, giving drivers more freedom. Comfort upgrades, better suspension, and modern styling make it attractive not only for drivers but also for passengers who expect smoother rides. Bajaj's strong service network and availability of spare parts further add to its appeal. Price. As of 2025, the Bajaj Maxima Z Petrol is priced competitively in the range of 2.2 Indian rupees to 2.5 Indian rupees lakhs, ex-showroom, India. The pricing makes it an accessible investment for small-scale transport entrepreneurs and auto drivers. With its low running and maintenance costs, the return on investment is attractive, ensuring that operators can quickly recover their purchase costs while enjoying dependable service. The 2025 Bajaj Maxima Z Petrol auto rickshaw continues to uphold the legacy of Bajaj's dominance in the three-wheeler market. With its refreshed exterior, improved interior comfort, reliable petrol engine, and focus on safety, it offers a balanced package for drivers and passengers alike. Its affordability, combined with Bajaj's service support, makes it one of the strongest options in the petrol-powered rickshaw category. If you're an operator looking for reliability, comfort, and efficiency in a compact vehicle, the Maxima Z Petrol is worth considering. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Driven Vision for more detailed reviews of upcoming vehicles.